Dakri Cartons is a custom packaging solutions company with more than 30 years of experience in the carton industry. They are the top manufacturers of standard and custom packaging for businesses in the Indian Ocean region. Dakri Cartons provides packaging solutions in categories such as fluting boards, regular slotted cartons, and die-cut products. They have earned the trust of major business leaders and are always ready to make their customers delight. Dakri Cartons chose ebizframe ERP in the year 2017. ebizframe ERP is a scalable and highly configurable software which can be tailored to the unique needs of the business. The implementation of ebizframe was done in a systematic manner, which helped Dakri Cartons in managing the change within their organization successfully. ebizframe ERP helped them in aspects such as accurate pre-sales costing, reel management, wastage tracking, multiple unit of measurement, FIFO-based stock issues, job card tracking, etc. Dakri Cartons had some very complex customizations specific to them as well as the carton industry, which were implemented by the ESS team successfully. The implementation also included the integration with the existing CB box production planning software that they were using. ebizframe ERP has helped Dakri Cartons and many other packaging companies in achieving better control over their operations by automating the information flow across departments and providing them with accurate analytics about their business.